Welcome back to the YouTube. Today we're gonna do something. Open this box from Ikea. I'm gonna unbox Ikea stuff and also build it, hopefully, correctly, and also completely, and also hopefully it has all the parts. Lots of things. Shall I tell you this story about one time? Hopefully this doesn't happen, but one time, with this exact pair of scissors, I cut myself very deep and I was bleeding. I was like going like this, trying to open a box, and I was holding it like this, and I was pressing hard, and it dug inside of my finger, and then it cut very deeply and started bleeding heavily. Anyway, that was a story. And then I sterilized these and cleaned them very well. But yeah, scissors are dangerous. That was the point of my story. Don't run with scissors, kids. And be careful how you hold your scissors too. They have these handles for a reason. Don't put your fingers around the blade. No matter how smart it seems at the time. Or efficient or whatever. I don't know what I was thinking, okay? Scissors are dangerous. Uh-oh, a box within a box. Well, that's something. That's something I'm gonna have to pull out here, okay? Holy shit, this is heavy. Never mind. Actually, this box is kind of perfect for storing canvases in. I kind of because it's narrow. I kind of want to not break this box. So, thanks for that, Manu. I will consider your proposition. I ain't afraid to bleed. I'm a woman. We see blood all the time. Thank you for the round of applause. I successfully did it without bleeding. What does it feel like having a clumsy friend in the group? Is it scary? Is it stressful? Or is it just fun to watch the train wreck? Wedge a piece of what in? Oh my god, I almost dropped this. This shit's heavy. Wedge a piece like this? Like this? Stab it? How to open a box 101. Chat, please teach me. First of all. This is heavier than a son of a bitch. This is called the Fredvang. God. This is dangerous. This is why I usually get assistance. This is locked up. This shit is locked up. How am I supposed to open this? Apparently they're discontinuing this item from Ikea too, so I wanted to get it before it's discontinued. It said now or never, and last time I didn't get the now or never thing, then it was never, and it was gone. So I don't want it to be gone. Not this time. Okay, let's see. Oh boy. Here are pieces. Here's one piece. I don't know what piece this would be. You guys good at guessing? Is this the hardware, maybe? Oops. got a baby screwdriver. Did you see that? I already have screwdrivers, but I like a baby screwdriver. Why is Philip's head shaped like a star? Is he starfish? Oh, here we go. This is the picture. Expectation. Oh. Expectation. Showing a picture of two people. I don't have two people, okay? I'm a loner. I gotta do this alone. I gotta pretend I'm an octopus that has 4 arms. I'm gonna get them out of the box and then lay them on the box first. I found the bottom. This is how big it is. It is heavy. Quite heavy. Quite heavy it is. Let's see here. Here's the first picture. Help me, chat. Help me. The ineptitude is inepting. First picture. 13 of those, 13 of those, 16 of those, 4 of those. Beauty vlogger, baby screwdriver. Nice. Not as nice as Linus Tech Tips, but you know. It works. Ikea, thank you. I have 13 of those. These thingies. And then we need 13 of those. So 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfecto. And then we have 1 extra dowel for some reason. First things first, we gotta screw these things in. And they put it facing this way with the big side, the big bulb side up. And then you go like this. Kind of screw is this? This weird ass screw. Like an Ikea man. Am I supposed to screw this in? By hand? Am I supposed to hammer? Hello? It's taking forever. You have to use force. Okay. Anyway, back to that. Gotta do 13 of those. Okay, that's all the screws that go in these panels. So in this one, you put the screws in all of this and then leave those 3 holes right here open. And then I gotta repeat that on the other one that looks the same as this. Second one, done. Step. We got 1 panel that has only 3 holes in it, which needs 1 in the middle. So this one gets 1 right in the center. Easy peasy. That's all that. For the first page, we got the first page done. Pog. Okay, now we got this part. Page 2. 8 times dowels that gotta go in this skinny board and the other skinny board, which I'm pretty sure are this piece. Ah! It's got no holes on it. So, in the holes that they have on the side here, you gotta put a dowel in. On both sides, apparently. I need like a hammer or something. Hammer these suckers in. That's as good as I can do it. No. We'll see. And then we gotta do this one. On the holes on the side. Okay, this one's went in better than the other ones. Not very good. But I did my best. Okay, so those have to stick into the big piece now. Okay. I have to insert it into the 2 holes. Like so. Okay, now this piece goes like... Oh, that was step 3, by the way. Sticking that in. Okay, step 4. Sticking this piece in. That helps stick the pegs in. This one has to go now. On top of this. But how? Oh, you just stick it on top. So this one has to line up with these holes. Like this. These holes line up with these pegs. So like so. There. I lost a piece of my hair to that battle, but we did it! Okay, uh-oh. This is where it gets complex. This is where they start giving a twist. Gotta fly check your drink always. That's a life lesson from me. Life lessons, okay. Okay, I need 6 more dowels. Where's that piece? I'm gonna, instead of sticking it into the piece like it tells me to, stick it into the piece to stick it into it instead. We'll try. We'll try my theory of putting the dowels in the piece that we're sticking into it. See if that works. So now, there's this part that we just attached, which is still needs to be squished together better. And now we're gonna put this piece with the dowels in the screw in here. And I've made a lot of Ikea stuff before, so I know for a fact that you go like this, and if you put one of these in to secure it, so I can do that, and then I can go like this. Those like little screw-in things, these thingies, they really help. Okay, so we got this piece on now. Step 7. Oh, step 8 was put the screw that I just put in. That's funny. I did it! I knew it! Oh, now. Step 9. Pick this up. And lower it onto one of these drawer things. I need a pair of strong man hands right now. Wait, what are... Why isn't there anything attached to these pieces? Oh wait, do I have to put these pieces in it? This? Was I supposed to? Oh my god, did I miss a step? Uh-oh. I skipped a step. I thought I got cocky and I skipped a step. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. I was supposed to put these. What a papega. Pro. Aw. You're too kind. You're too kind. Ah! Yes, it's in. It's in. Firmly grasp it. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Oh, now I gotta do this step. Secure the screws. Secure the screws, step 10. Bruh. Oh yeah, this side's the open side. I forgot about that, because one side's open, but then I gotta close this side off, I believe. Yes, because the wheels go on this side. Final step is repeat the same step as on the other side. Okay, it's almost done, but I screwed it up. Oh yeah. What's the final step? In the end, you just click these wheels in. Like this. Right in here. And then you go like that. Oh, these are not very wheelie wheels, but hopefully they wheel. Hopefully they wheel do their job. Wait, was that a drum roll? I hope that was a drum roll. That'd be awkward if it wasn't a drum roll. The only thing I gotta do is get this thing attached so I could put the tightening screw thingies. Yeah, that's holding together now. Huh. That should sponsor. Ikea sponsor me. Huh. It's an under the bed container. Drawer thingy? So it has like, well, you can see from this picture, but it's got like a section. And then it's got two little other sections. So you can put like books and you can pull it out. It's like a side table like under the bed, so you can like pull it out if you don't have a like bedside table, whatever. Oh my god, that took me like an hour. We did it! Look! Did I do it? Question is, does it roll? It rolls. But look, there's like a gap. I don't know. I need to fix that. I'm gonna get going, get this organized, give Suki some attention here. And yeah, it was fun. It was fun building this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my journey doing this, because I didn't expect it would be as easy and fast as it was, but I'm like, oh my god, I kind of remember these things. I don't really have to refer to the instructions, but yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, those goes in those, and those goes in those. It's kind of cool that all IKEA furniture is universal like that. Thanks for watching my YouTube video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't,